Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log out of Weverse account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Weverse application. You can see over here Weverse application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to log out of your account, what you have to do is look at bottom. You'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the more icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the more interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options related with settings over here. Simply scroll down. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for logout. Simply tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear, log out. You'll be able to find two options over here, cancel, log out. Simply tap on the option log out. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. So that is how you log out of Weverse account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.